Can Samsung TV play MKV? Yes, Samsung Smart TVs can play MKV files, but compatibility depends on the TV model, codec support, and file encoding. MKV is a container format that can hold different video, audio, and subtitle codecs. If the TV does not support a specific codec inside the MKV file, playback issues may occur. 1. How to play MKV files on a Samsung TV via USB. Step 1. Copy the MKV file onto a USB drive formatted as FAT32, exFAT, or NTFS. Step 2. Insert the USB into the Samsung TV's USB port. Step 3. Press the home button on the remote and go to source then USB device. Step 4. Select the MKV file and press play. 2. Why some MKV files won't play on Samsung TV. Even though Samsung TVs support MKV, playback may fail due to unsupported codecs, such as older TVs may not support HEVC H.265. Audio format incompatibility, DTS, Dolby Atmos, or AAC may not work on some models. Corrupt or high bitrate files that exceed TV limitations. Subtitle issues if the MKV file contains embedded subtitles that are not supported. 3. How to fix MKV playback issues on Samsung TV. If an MKV file does not play, convert MKV to MP4 or another supported format using Handbrake or similar software. Use a media player app like VLC or Plex on the Samsung TV. Stream the MKV file from a PC via DLNA, Chromecast, or AirPlay. Check the TV firmware by updating to the latest version in Settings, then Support, then Software Update. 4th, alternative ways to play MKV files. If direct playback fails, try connecting a laptop or PC via HDMI and playing the file on the TV. Using a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Roku, or Apple TV that supports MKV. Running a media server like Plex or Kodi to transcode the file into a compatible format. Samsung TVs can play MKV files, but codec compatibility is a key factor. If playback issues arise, converting the file, updating the TV firmware, or using a media player can help resolve the problem.